Hi, I'm Tilly and I'm a designer of beautiful bathrooms and kitchens here at Gary Fullwood Designed Living. Today I'm answering the question of what is the best flooring for your bathroom? There are many types of flooring. Firstly, there is natural stone, which is travertine, quartz, granite and marble. This flooring is very porous, so it does need to be sealed when used in a bathroom. However, it is very hard wearing and can last a lifetime. Then there is vinyl, which is much softer under the foot, however it can be marked quite easily. For some reason, there is still people out there that have carpet in their bathroom. Yes, it is very soft under your foot and is safe, however it does get very wet and very smelly, so I do not recommend it. Lastly, there is porcelain. This is my favourite tile as it comes in lots of different colours, styles. It is colder under the foot, however you can add your underfloor heating to keep it nice and warm. There are two types of underfloor heating. There is electric and hydronic. Electric is easier to install but can be more costly to run. Hydronic is water-based but can be harder to install and maintain. We generally use ply and cement board to ensure that the floor covering will be strong and stable for everyday use. There is pros and cons to all of the above, however my personal favourite is porcelain because it comes in a wide range of colours. We have created lots of blogs, videos and articles, all designed to help you with your home improvements. If you have any further questions regarding your bathroom floor, then please leave us a comment, drop us a message or give us a call.